Hi, my name is Ali Bataina, and I'm the Principal Software Engineer here at Farouk Systems. For the past year, our team has been hard at work on a major update to the ColorMaster app, and today we're excited to share it with you. The app has gone through a major redesign both on iOS and Android. The interface is faster and more modern, the AI hair try-on is dramatically more realistic, and connecting to your mobile device is quicker than ever. So, let's dive in. First thing you'll notice is the whole app has a fresh, modern look, streamlined so everything is right where you need it. Your home screen has 6 main icons. Let me give you a quick tour, then we'll get into the new stuff. First, Color Manual Mode. In Color Manual Mode, this is your full control mode. You can select any colors from our color palette. In addition to our base color palette, you've got trending colors, 10-minute color, tone and gloss, developer, and adjustments. Same workflow you know, just in a new, cleaner interface. Next, we have Color AI mode. This is AI-assisted color, where the ColorMaster helps you try on and formulate the right color. We rebuilt this and the results are night and day. Here's how it works. You take a picture of the client, you choose your client's starting color, you choose their target color, and the AI shows you exactly how that color will look on your client. Look how natural that is. The way it follows the hairline, the texture, the lighting. It makes it so much easier to show a client exactly what they'll look like before you ever mix a drop of color. Client management. This has been fully redesigned. Everything's laid out clearly. You can find the client, pull up their history, update their info, and kick off a formulation, all in just a couple of taps. It's a much smoother way to work through your day. Stylists Management got the same treatment. To access Stylists Management, go ahead and enter your store password. Once in Stylists Management, you can search for stylist, you can update the stylist, you can remove the stylist, or you can add a stylist. All in a sleek, refreshed interface. For this next update, we made connecting your mobile device to the ColorMaster easier than ever. Let's show you how. To connect your mobile device to the ColorMaster tablet, first you must pull up the mobile pair QR code. To do this, we first go to Settings, and then we click Advanced. We enter the store password. Once you enter the store password, go ahead and click Show Pair QR. And this is the mobile QR code. Whenever you're connecting from your mobile device, go ahead and open the ColorMaster app, follow the prompts, and then you'll see 2 options. Select Wireless Connect to ColorMaster. Once you selected Wirelessly Connect, go ahead and click Scan QR, and then scan the QR code. All the information will be automatically filled in, and you can proceed to the next steps. And here's a brand new one, and this one's for your customers. Go ahead and open the ColorMaster app on your phone, follow the prompts, and you'll see 2 options. Go ahead and select Hair Color Try-On. In this mode, you can try on any colors and share them right from your phone. Once you select the color, you'll see the AI try-on in real time. You can go ahead and take a picture and compare the colors. And if you want to, you can even share it right there from the app. Let's say that you want to save it to your collection. Go ahead and click Save. And if you go back to the home screen, your collections will now be saved if you want to see them in the future. This next update, we're very excited to announce. Salons with multiple ColorMasters can now share the same data. Here's what this means. A client, a stylist, or a formulation created in one ColorMaster automatically appears in all your linked ColorMasters, and vice versa. So whether you've got multiple ColorMasters in one salon or multiple salons, each with their own ColorMaster, everything stays in sync. No re-entering anything. This is set up on our end, so just reach out to your ColorMaster representative to request it. So let's get into how to switch over to the new app. Before you do anything, 2 quick things on the current app. Note down the serial number, we'll show you right where to find it, and take a picture of your old canister quantities. Now, 2 things here are critical. If you skip either one, your ColorMaster settings won't transfer. First, keep your ColorMaster powered on the whole time. Do not turn it off. Second, we need to force close the old app so it releases the USB connection. Head to your home menu, find the old ColorMaster app, long press it, tap App Information, then click Force Stop. With the machine on and the old app closed, that's it. All your settings will cleanly transfer over. And now we're ready for the next step. Now, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the new ColorMaster app. When you launch it, just follow the prompts on screen, and when you reach the serial number screen, enter the exact same serial number you noted earlier, and then enter your store password. Once you're in, head to Canister Management and update the canister values to match the picture you took from the old app. Then, run a recalibration so your dispense process is fully up to date. And that's it. This is just a one-time setup. All your data comes with you, nothing gets lost. And here's the exciting part. Everything we showed you is only phase 1. There's a lot more on the way. A few updates included in the future phases are client follow-up notifications, automated usage reports, and even faster dispense speeds. Always remember, if you ever run into any issues, please contact your ColorMaster representative. Thank you for watching and enjoy the new app.